watching Funny Yes Info. Today our toolbox topic is step ladders. The stepladder is one of the most familiar things on a job site. Workers get hurt using them. Falls are the biggest risk. Even though workers are not very high off the ground, some have died from falling a short distance and landing the wrong way. Even sprains or strains could mean pain and days of work. Check the ladder for defects or damage at the start of your shift, after it has been used somewhere else by other workers, and after it has been left in one place for a long time. Keep the area at the base of the ladder clear. Make sure the spreader arms lock securely in the open position. Stand no higher than the second step from the top. Never straddle the space between a stepladder and another point. When standing on the ladder, avoid leaning forward, backward, or to either side. Always open the ladder fully before using it. Don't use an unopened stepladder as a straight or extension ladder. The feet are not designed for this use. Never stand on the top step, the top, or the pale shelf of a stepladder. When climbing up or down a stepladder, always face the ladder and maintain 3-point contact. That means 2 hands and 1 foot or 2 feet, and 1 hand must be on the ladder at all times. Inspect stepladders in use on site. Determine whether other equipment would provide safer, more efficient access. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and share our videos. If you want notes about this video, please visit our website link given in description box. Have a safe day.